will be amazed at how quick and easy this is. Put the cream in the food processor using the S-blade. Just keep on processing it until it looks like this, and that's done. Then you get a cheesecloth, strain the buttermilk off. You have buttermilk for pancakes the next morning. Here's the butter that's been removed from the processor. It's all ready to go. And here they are together. Butter, buttermilk, biscuits. Yay! Okay, and then we're going to put some cheese and garlic or garlic bread. And take the butter and put it in between the slices of bread. Put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. And you have, ta-da, beautiful garlic bread straight from the oven. Delicious.